All right, and we are on in 3, 2, and 1.
Hi. And we have Anne. Give it up, ladies. So, what was it like in high school? It was pretty lonely, and I had really no one to talk to. But my mom and dad always yelled at me for things, like everything. Yeah, it was also very scary because we had to be very quiet and secret. And I miss my friends and my family really. I would. Okay, so this next question is for Anne. So, what was it like seeing without seeing people? It was really hard because I really could only think about them and not see them. And I don't know where my best friend lies went, and I miss her a lot. And my mom died in 1945, so I was pretty low. Sorry. Okay, so next. Are you guys? No, not really. I mean, she is a really nice girl, and we do get along with each other. We share our emotions, but no. Well, I would like to. But this is for you, Peter. What do you think? I don't know. The girlfriends. I know. Oh, anyways, and whenever you found out that your mom chose murder of you, how did that make you feel? I was disappointed, and I was more disappointed than offended because I understand why. Because I treated my dad better than I treated my mom because I rejected her. Yeah. Did you always treat your mom? Peter, how do you feel about your relationship with Anne's mom? I don't really talk to her, but she's nice because she always feels bad for me. Do you feel like Anne is closer to Mrs. Fagan or the Peter? No, I don't really think so because she sometimes yells at Anne or because Anne calls her spoiled. And I call her spoiled? No. Mrs. Fagan. I know. So, and before we leave, I read your new book. It is a lovely book. Tell me more about it. So basically, it's based off my life during the Holocaust and how my emotions changed throughout it, and it's based off my family and how they also interacted and affected me throughout it as well. I really did find this book smart. Thank you. All right. Well, I think that's it for today. When it comes to my family because they always yelled at me. But when me and Anne started talking, I was finally able to express my feelings to someone and wasn't so lonely. But Anne definitely became my best friend throughout the whole hide-in acts. But I also think the Holocaust has been brutal, but brought us even closer. And I even got to write a book about my life during the Holocaust. And I kind of enjoyed the chaos because we had people helping us and get through it. And at first, I was like, Peter's the most quirkiest, weirdest, man ever. He's not my type. But now we're best friends. And I was disrespectful to people who were living with me. And, I was disrespectful to my mom. But now I feel I was more mature and I was able to express my feelings the way I wanted to. And like Peter said, we have gotten really close, and I feel like we are best friends now.